Informed consumers are better consumers. There's three different types or distribution channels for insurance. Captive agents are names that you've heard of. State Farm, Farmers, Allstate. I think one of them sponsors the Home Run Derby, another one sponsors the Super Bowl. You're always going to hear their names and that'll make you feel good. So that's the pro. The con is your local State Farm agent is captive to that company. If that company's rates happen to be competitive, great, but if they're not, he's got nowhere to send you when your renewal comes in and your rates have gone up by 20%. The second distribution channel for insurance is the direct writer. They use things like lizards, stacks of money, and cavemen, or even cartoon characters to sell their products. They spend a fortune on marketing. If you call them and they give you a quote and they're cheaper by a few dollars, they know that likely you're going to buy the insurance from them because you don't want to do this again. You don't want to go through the shopping process 5 times. But mostly we see low coverage on those kinds of policies, and that's not a good thing. The third distribution channel is an independent insurance agent. That's what we are. The advantage is when you call an independent agent will give you the best quote of all their companies, and hopefully they have quite a few. Now, common sense will tell you that the more choices you have and the more competitive a marketplace is, the better prices you're going to get. An independent agency is the only place you can go to get multiple quotes in one place. The direct writers can't do it, the captive agents can't do it, but an independent agent can.